going to discuss a topic of data warehousing components. Based on the RDBMS server, it has operational data sources, and transformation involves conversion, summarization, filtering, and condensation of data. Data warehouse contain a large historical components, and it all are capable of holding and managing large volume of data. The key components are used to make the environment functional, manageable, and accessible. The data warehouse transforms into an integrated structure and formats. This is the basic architecture of the data warehouse. Data sources, a staging area, warehouse, data modes, and users. In the data sources, there are operating systems, flat files. In the data warehouse, metadata, summary data, raw data. In the data mode, purchasing, sales, inventory, and the users analysis, reporting, and mining. Data warehouse components are the central data warehouse. Database is a cornerstone of the data warehouse. A data warehouse implements a traditional or DBMS technology. The data warehouse attributes a large data size and querying processing. It also includes the aggregate multi-table joins and drill downs. The data warehouse may have the databases of parallel relation, traditional or DBMS, and multidimensional databases. And in the sourcing, acquisition, cleanup, and transferring tools include the data warehouse implementing the extracting data from operational system and putting it in a suitable format. The transformation tools perform the conservation, summarization, key changes, structural changes, and consolidation. It produces the programming languages of COBOL, MVS, Job Control Language, Unix, and SQL. The functionalities which includes removing unwanted data, converting to common names, calculating, summarize, and deliver data, establishing default for missing data, accommodating source data. Some significant issues on data warehouse is database heterogeneity. Data heterogeneity. In the database heterogeneity, data models, data access language, data navigation, operations, concurrency, integrity, recovery. In the data heterogeneity, homonyms, synonyms, unit incompatibility. Metadata. Metadata is the data about data that describes the data warehouse. It is used to building, maintaining, managing, and using. Metadata can be classified into technical metadata and business metadata. Technical and business metadata. Technical metadata includes information about data sources, transformation, descriptions, warehouse object, and data structure, the rule to perform data cleanup, data mapping operations, access authorization. Business metadata, which includes subject area and information, internet home pages, other informations, and data warehouse operational informations. The properties of data warehouse metadata is gateway to the warehouse environment, support an easy distribution and replication of its contents, searchable by business-oriented analysis, act as a launch platform of end user. It supports the sharing information, supports a variety of scheduling operations, querying result, interfaces, end user monitoring. And the access tools are providing information to business user for decision making, user interaction with front-end tools, and tools needed to information specialist. Data accessing tools divided into 5 main groups: data querying and reporting tools, application development tools, executive information system, online analytical processing tools, and data mining tools. Query and reporting tools is providing reporting tools, managing querying tools. Production reporting tools, which is used to regular operation reports such as calculating and printing page 6. Managing tools used to complicates of the SQL and database structures by inserting meta layer between user and database. The meta layer is a software object-oriented views of database, point and click the creating of SQL. These tools have specific applications like segmentation identification, demographic analysis, territory management, customer mailing list. The applications are query and reporting tools, complex queries. The application which integrates with OLAP tools. The OLAP access the database systems of Oracle and Informatica, which include PowerSoft, Visual Basic, 40 and Business Objects. OLAP based on multidimensional database concept and used to analysis elaborate multidimensional and complex views, which includes the performance, profitability and the effectiveness of marketing companies, sales and forecasting. Supporting by special multidimensional database and multi-relational database. Data mining ability to use information efficiently, the process of discovering meaningful new correlations and patterns into the large amount of data stored in the data warehouse, discovering knowledge, visualize data and correction of the data. A data visualization technique is used to look in the data. Example, a result of relational and multidimensional query or the result of data mining discovery. The uses of simple and bar pie chart. It uses complex techniques to develop, focusing on complex relationship and patterns, two-dimensional data. Data different things to different. The data mart may denormalize, summarize and aggregated. It used to relational OLAP technology, dependent data mart and independent data mart. The dependent data mart extract set of data for a particular type of analysis. Independent mart fragment point solutions to the range of business problems. Business problems that include extremely urgent of budget, the absence of sponsor, and the decentralization of business units, the attraction of easy.